This is level 3 questioning. This is the most advanced level of question. With level 3, we want to read beyond the lines. So we want to look beyond just the story for a universal meaning. So as we're reading, you should move beyond the text to connect to universal meaning. You need to ask mental questions like, how does this text connect with my life? So how does the story connect to me? With life in a larger sense for all human beings, with my ideas about morality or values. So these questions are open-ended and they go beyond the story. They're meant to provoke a discussion of abstract issues, thematic concerns. So when we're using level 3, we need to generate questions that can be answered by connecting literature to our own experiences, to our personal lives, and to universal meaning. These questions begin with ideas in the text, but they move from the what to the so what. So here are some examples here. This is again from chapter 1. How does the past influence the present? Now, I don't have to have the story to answer this question. Having read this story, it helps, but we want to depend on our own experiences and what we know for this. How does the past influence the present? How would you feel if many years into the future, your grave was excavated for research purposes, and why? So this one, it helps to read chapter 1 because we're seeing how they use the graves to study the past and how careful they are when they excavate because they want to be very respectful of the dead and their descendants. But it moves beyond the story and connects it to us. How would you feel if your grave was excavated for research and purpose? Another question that you might ask is, why is studying the past important? Or you might ask, or you might say, forensic anthropology is intriguing, but why is it important? Okay, and then same as before, in this space below, I want you to come up with 2 level 3 questions for chapter 1. Remember, these questions can be answered by connecting the story to our own experiences or to universal meaning, to life in general. After you write your question, I want you to answer your own question. Remember, it's open-ended. Click on the box, double tap in it, record your question there, and then your answer.